Let's make a sports poster design in 2 minutes. Let's start with the background layer and let's give it a soft gradient overlay just around the edges for that vignetting effect. Now we'll drag in our New York City background, and we're going to be doing a Ben yacht of the New York Empire graphic today. I'm going to take out this bottom edge of the design just by masking it and then setting it to luminosity 10%. Let's bring in a texture to go over, and we'll set this one to screen, and then we'll do another texture, this lighting effect, and we'll set this one to overlay. Kind of gives it a cool light dark feel. Now let's drag in our player cutout. We have Ben Yacht, put him front and center, and I'll give him a shadow just under that front foot. That's too big. All right, reduce the opacity on that, and then let's make a duplicate shadow, stretch this one out, and then this one we're gonna fill with a grass texture by bringing this down and clipping it to that layer below it, set it to luminosity. There's some fine looking grass, and now let's give the cutout some curves, bring up the darks so it kind of fits in the design a little bit better. And now let's add some text to the top. Ben Yacht, New York Empire. Let's get some contrast here, medium, and we'll go light for our line there. Bring this text in, and we'll add the Empire logo on top. Center everything. It's probably a little too much spacing, but we'll bring that in a little bit. Now let's add some finishing touches. We have our color lookup. We'll go to soft warming look and 50%. And now we'll add some grain by filling it with gray and adding noise. 7% is good. Soft light. There's our 2-minute poster design.